on this.
Why? It's nice.
Do you like the carbon fiber door buttons?
Carbon fiber door buttons? Oh no, I don't like that. Well, oh, is that why you got this car?
No. Daddy, it's glued onto here.
I think it's supposed to pop up. But
No.
is it not? Are you sure?
How long is this screwdriver?
Got it?
Yay!
Cool. Whoever put these speakers in, put it in just like how I'm about to put it in.
Why? How did they do it?
With only 2 screws. The old speaker.
Oh.
But I don't think it
Daddy,
works.
come with screws and stuff.
What is that, Kaylee?
Speaker.
The brand new one.
Yeah, the brand new one. Wait.
And it?
Watch this.
Kaylee, what are you guys doing?
We're going to put the speaker on.
Put the speaker in the car because the car didn't have speakers.
Or at least
Or
one did.
working speaker. Okay, go sit on this. Go plug it in.
Where?
The 2 black wires hanging right there. Black wire. Which one goes to which? How you know that one goes there?
Is it smaller?
Good job.
How'd you know?
Is it smaller?
One is small and one is big.
Oh, good job.
Well, it's already wired for aftermarket speakers, so that's why.
Oh, so you just plug it in and it's good?
Yeah,
And
and
then
then
I
we're gonna
put it-
screw it in. Okay. Get your black screwdriver.
All of them?
We'll do this one. Test to see if it works.
Okay.
See how Kaylee's installation did.
I'm decided gonna play a whole nother song.
A different song. Oh, it works, Kaylee! It works! Woo!
Good job. Did it. Works, huh?
Well, look how pretty the sunset is.
Doesn't it make sense that this, the opposite of this, would be the side that I need, right? I mean, the shape that I need for that side.
Yeah.
So if I can take this one off and bend a rod that'll be just like this for that side, should be fine, right? Okay, well, so it's the next morning. We're gonna go ahead and fix the door locks. So I don't know if I explained it before, but we went ahead and removed the door panels, and I realized that there was no door speaker in the driver's side. I went ahead and put a door speaker in there, and as I was inspecting, the door locks don't work on the driver's side because it's missing the rod that actuates the actual physical lock on the door. Let me show you guys. It's missing the rod that goes here, and this rod follows this one and goes down into the door here. Anyway, I went ahead and took off the passenger side door panel when I put the speaker in over there, and I removed the rod that belongs to the passenger door, and it is the exact shape that I need for the passenger side. So I went ahead and bought I believe this is a 3.5 millimeter rod, stainless steel rod, and I'm gonna go ahead and bend it to the exact shape that I need for the driver's side door. Now the reason being is because on this car and a lot of cars, if you lock the driver door, it will lock all doors and unlock all doors when you unlock the driver door. So pretty much the driver door controls all the locks. And I did try to program the remote key that comes with the car, but it wouldn't work because I was manually trying to do the unlock, but I didn't realize that there was no rod to control the actual lock itself. So I think it'll work once I put a rod in there. So that's the goal for right now. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this rod and bend it to this shape right here. It's also missing the rod holder clip that belongs on the inside of the door. So what I'm going to do is I bought a universal set. So I have 3 here that I believe should work, or at least one of them should work. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out right now. And then hopefully we can get some working door locks today. That is the end goal for this video. So let's cross our fingers. I mean, we don't even need to cross our fingers. I'm pretty positive that we're able to figure it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the torch, start heating this thing up so I can bend it easily to the shape that I need. So while I'm here, I'm actually gonna take my clips. I have a yellow one as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick my hand inside there. I'll probably film my phone so I can show you guys which clip will actually fit the hole, because there's different sizes. And hopefully we have one that fits. It's gonna hold the rod in place on the actual mechanism itself, so that way we can actuate the lock with the handle rather than the rod just slipping out or being loose on the inside. So hopefully one of these little clips are the ones that we need. Oh, I think it fits. All right, we got it on, guys. All right, so that was easy. It would end up being the yellow one. So we're gonna go ahead and take the rod now and bend it to shape. Hopefully it's not gonna be too hard. Like I said, I'm gonna take the torch and kind of finesse it. So, all right, so concept seems easy. Just bend this rod to look like this. I do have an extra one in case I mess up on this one, but it shouldn't be too bad, to be honest. If you look at the shape, it's fairly simple. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. I will be putting on gloves just to take an extra precaution, because I will be working with heat. I will go ahead and bend this baby. Do you guys ever, so we leave our gloves in the garage, and where I'm at, there's a lot of bugs, there's a lot of spiders in particular. And sometimes I get kind of nervous sticking my hands in gloves, especially when they're left out. That's why we kind of like roll them and twist them, so that way no bugs go inside. But sometimes I feel like there's gonna be like some creepy crawlies inside. Anyway, start heating this bad boy up. Nice and red. So this one I just need a 90 degree. Something like that. See how simple that is? Let me get like a little water thing. So we got that bend to be pretty spot on, if I might say so myself. Now I'm gonna look at to where I need the next bend to start. It's looking like I need it to be about here. So I'm just gonna mark it right there. Then we're gonna heat this bad boy up now. It was like a subtle bend, I bent it way too much. Let's see. Dang. Look at that. Let me cool it down. Dang, yo, I'm good at this. Look at this. One bend master. Freaking sick. So I got the bends pretty down, to be honest. So I just need to do this last 1 and 2 bends right here, and we should be able to cut the excess off. And hopefully we have a rod. This side goes. I'm gonna try to fit the inside one first. All right guys, so I tinkered around with it for a little bit. Got the right angle. It needed to be adjusted just a tiny bit, and now, if you can listen, so lock, Try to open the door. It's locked. Open it. It works, guys. We did it. We got the bend perfectly. Now we got some working locks. The only thing that I am tripping is that when I hit this, that doesn't work. All the other doors work but this one. So that leads me to believe that the actual mechanism, the actuator on the inside of the door, maybe is broken, which is the reason why this rod was missing, because maybe they were going to change it out but decided not to before they sold the car or something, and now there's no automatic lock, at least for the driver's side. So I will need to replace the actuator that will move this with the switch, which isn't too big of a deal. I just need to see how much it costs. This being an imported car, there's not going to be any parts local, so that's something that's going to have to be figured out later. But in the meantime, I can control all door locks with this or the key. I should see if the key will program. I'll probably try to do that later. All right, guys, so continuing on with the theme of everything's broken on the Skyline, I just found out that the tweeters in the pillars are actually blown as well. So I went ahead and picked up some pretty cheap ones, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace them right now. I already did the passenger side, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did it on the driver's side. So we're in the car now, and I have these tweeters here. Where are they? These little cheapy tweeters off of Amazon. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the car right now. So the tweeter that is in this pillar right here is blown. The tweeters look like this. So this is like barely even a speaker. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and replace them with this. Now this whole thing is not going to fit under this mesh right here. So we're actually gonna disassemble this and just use the speaker portion itself. We don't need any of this extra bezels and stuff like that. So anyway, this is the old tweeter. This little thing, it's gonna be replaced with this tweeter. It's gonna be replaced with this tweeter right here. So let's go ahead and install it. It's very quick, very easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. All right, so to access the speaker here, you're literally just gonna stick your hand and just pop this sucker off. Just pull it and it'll come off pretty easily. Keep it in a safe spot where you're not gonna mess it up. Anyway, that's the speaker right here, if you can see it. So literally we're just gonna unplug it, just like that. Then we're gonna just pop the speaker off. We're just gonna pry this thing off. We don't need this bracket. We're literally just gonna stick the speaker straight to the pillar here. We're going to be very careful. We probably will be breaking the clips, but there you go. All right, so all we need is this and this. Let's go to the workbench. All right, so all we're gonna do is detach the speaker. We don't even need to detach the speaker. We kind of just need the end of this plug. Here we go. This is the plugs right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this a lot shorter because the plug is gonna be literally right next to the speaker. I don't need all this extra length. I'm gonna go ahead and solder these and then tape them up because I don't have the shrink tube things. So I'll do that real quick. So I got the little solder joint and just wrap the two wires to keep it a little bit clean. And we are ready to plug this bad boy in. So let's go ahead and plug it in. This kit also comes with these double-sided foam tape sticky thing, and I'm just gonna stick it to the back of the speaker itself. And then we're literally just gonna stick this straight on the pillar with no bezel. So before that, let's go ahead and plug the speaker in and make sure it even works first. Yeah, it works, guys. It works, it works, it works. Alrighty, guys. So join me next video to figure out what else is wrong with this car. But all jokes aside, I really like this car. I really enjoy doing these little fixes. It feels like it makes a little progress every single time, even though I keep finding little things that are wrong with it. But I know that every single time that I replace something with something new or better, it probably won't break again. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, sticking around with us. Like I said, we really appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.